friends, HealMe Health Portal has been launched with a mission to heal the diseased person by adopting holistic healing approach. We try to heal the person by strengthening the cells and neurons. A person can completely be cured by detoxification and improving his immunity and metabolism. Various healing therapies are available on our portal such as Ayurveda, Reiki, Panchkarma, yoga and meditation, physiotherapy, acupressure, acupuncture, medical astrology, diet and nutrition, counseling, and life coach. We are also trying to add more remedies which are not common among people but are capable of curing any person completely. Online consultation with physicians can be done on our health portal, and they focus on both physical and mental level to cure illness. Our mission is to provide best healing treatment with minimum use of medicines. For more details, visit our health portal www.healme.in, or you can also WhatsApp or call on number 946 540 1338. Our help desk executives would love to answer all your queries, and after understanding your health concerns, will fix your appointment with the right healer. On this portal, you will not only get treatment, but you can also learn various therapies to cure yourself and to help others to cure their diseases. Let's adopt an approach that will lead us to a disease-free world. Be healthy, enjoy life.